All right. Good morning. So it's almost like the same thing as yesterday. Um, Manipulated hard on 9:30 candle. You possibly could have seen something on the 15 second, but I'm not doing all that because you could have had an entry right there, 1 to 1. So right now, this right here, this price leg from there to there is news. That's what news caused. So I'm either looking to displace above, pull back to go higher, or we're going to take it out, manipulate, sell off hard. Oh, I gotta watch this. I was about to show y'all the 1 hour. Whatever. These are my draws for the 1 hour. 30 minute, 15 minute, 1 minute. So as soon as we take out these highs, we're then gonna have enough manipulation because news did was brought us up right after news. Or excuse me, that was 9:30. 9:30 brought us up. News brought us to take out the low. We're then trying to push up to take out the highs, to take out all the people who were thinking about doing this. If we do something right here and we don't take out the high, we're just going to do a whole bunch of this. One thing I like to listen to while trading is that right there. It's like jazz rap, like New York, like jazz with a little beat into it. I like it. Helps my ADHD. So me personally, whenever we have news, we have PMI, which is pretty heavy. The government shut down today, which is crazy. So I'm looking to displace a little bit higher, but dude, do not take an entry between 9:30 and 10 if there is news at 9:45 and at 10. So if we displace up right here hard, honestly, I don't know if I'm gonna take a trade today unless it really shows. So then these highs right here are kind of used, but that was like 4 news. Because what did we do? We displaced above the range, then we came below the range. As soon as we came below the range, we took out uh, open lows. So this right here and this right here is news high and low. So right here we took out all the sellers for all the people who were doing that. Then right here we took out all the buyers. Well, so this moved down, took out all of that. Honestly, for the people who got in right here, that'd have been a pretty good setup. Could have been some on the 30-second. Because we closed below the range, we come up, bam, then we displace. That'd have been a pretty good trade. Entry could have been this displacement candle right here. Stops at the candle low. It would have been a good trade. Now we're getting a Alright, so we're not displacing how I thought we would. So ideal, we could come back into this range. Here we go. Here's some of the displacement right here. So let's just say hypothetically we close right there. So now whenever I don't get like the type of displacement candle I want, I'm then waiting for pullbacks. Because this isn't like aggressive. This is more like slow roll displacement type stuff. Guys, all you want is 45 points. Like on days that are like this that are kind of like you see how right here it's just like weak, weak, weak. It's kind of like why be greedy, you know? So why not just go up to the to a and put your take profit at a high that's within that range. Yeah. So I think that was going to be the trade, the setup for today. About 2 minutes. Two-minute doesn't look that good. See, I don't want to go on the 30-second, bro, on something like this. See, because I would have had to take something like that. That's not worth it for me. Yeah. We've still got room to grow. So really now it's like the reason why I didn't take this trade is because of my OCD, I guess, because I didn't like the way that these two candles looked. Like I just didn't like the way that crap looked. So I didn't. I don't know. But that's the trade. I mean, because now there's no need to come back down for, like, there's no reason for us to come down and take this out to proceed up. I don't think. I think we have enough. The reason why I did not take a trade is because I just didn't like the way these look, bro. Like, I didn't like that. But if you're looking at it like this, that is clear displacement for sure. So now I'll be moving stops to break. So, like, essentially, pulling back is generating liquidity. That's going to mess you up a little bit, but bro, that's crazy. It's exactly like yesterday. Like, this is exactly like yesterday, bro. Because yesterday, this right here, this price leg was news. As soon as we took that out, we displaced above, and now we're going up. Um, so we took out the news high, then we displaced up. Copy and paste. So, like, now, I would move stop to, like, maybe somewhere right there to secure a couple $100. That's still a good trade, bro. Like, I just kind of got a little skeptical, I think, because wow, okay. So this right here was SMT. And so as soon as we close back into the range, this trade right here would have been permissible. Wow. I just don't like that type of trade, though. So this candle right here, all we're probably doing is aiming to take this wick out. So this is the pullback that you would, you know, I think this is the pullback that you would be waiting for. Yeah, so I'm just kind of sitting on the sidelines today. I don't really. There it is. So as soon as we took out that wick, that's going to generate a push forward. It's just this late, you would only make 23 points. You would only be having a 1 to 1.1. Plus, I don't even know if we're gonna go past. So it's like on a day like this, bro, I would have been happy with 34 points. As soon as we broke, as soon as we continued structure, I would have probably moved to break even. Good trade. All right, so that's gonna be the trade today. Let me go over this one more time. So going into the day, I'm only looking at this right here. As soon as we close above that range, I then extend this line forward. Then we close below the range, so I'm looking for bearish bias. But I know that news is coming at 10, so I'm not going to take an entry. So what happens? We take it out. We close above this range. Bam, displacement candle. We displace, come up, pull back, manipulate, or really not manipulate, but to really just have people shit in their britches. Because whenever you go up 32 points and then you have a hard pullback like that, people have already then moved their stops, stopped them out, generated liquidity to then move forward. So then my entry would have been as we closed above news high, or that's not even news. As soon as we close above for open, this is the open high. We then come down and take out the open low. We took out the open low, closed above the range. I wouldn't have taken that trade because it's 9:53. We still have high news impact coming in at 10. We then come up, then we take out open high, then we displace entry right there. That's going to be the video. Hope you guys have a great day. Peace.